The galaxy has always been ruled by those who understand power. Strategy, control, precision. Now, that power enters a new arena. Football is no longer just a game. It becomes a battlefield where Madden's realism collides with the relentless force of the Empire Strikes Back. NFL fans will recognize the formations, the pressure, the pursuit of dominance. Star Wars fans will feel the tension of every decision, where victory is never guaranteed. Two universes, one inevitable evolution. And once they step onto this field, there will be no turning back.
Interception! Madden 16 strikes back.
Because the Council of Vietnam trusts you.